Hi, I'm Helen Hernandez Archer with Lux Living Properties at Compass, and we are celebrating the National Hispanic Heritage Month. And to celebrate, we decided to interview some of our top Hispanic clients. And here's what they have to say.
My name is Doug Rohan. I'm an attorney here in Georgia, and I've been practicing for the last 20 years. Of that, for the last 10 years, I've had my own firm, Rohan Law. We practice primarily in workers' compensation, personal injury, and criminal defense. And I got into the business specifically representing the Hispanic community because as a Cuban refugee family myself, I understand what it's like to come to a country where the system is foreign, the language is unfamiliar, and unfortunately there's a lot of abuse of the immigrant population here in Georgia. So my why, the reason why I celebrate each new client that comes into my office is because I know I'm rescuing them from someone else who's not as scrupulous, who's not going to do as good a job, who's not going to represent their interests. We have a lot of these big firms that represent hundreds of new clients each week, and they're not trying to maximize the value of each case. When it comes to our firm, we get 10 new clients a week, and that means that I need to make sure that for each new civil case that comes in, when somebody's hurt, when somebody's in pain, I need to do the best I can for that client to make sure that they get the maximum recovery for that case, because I don't have 5 other cases behind them that I can turn to. So it really lets us make sure that we put a lot of attention towards our clients. They're always well served, and most importantly, they're satisfied. It's important for there to be an advocate for the issues that affect the population, but the reality is that that's only part of the puzzle. Sure, it's very important for politicians and for advocates to be out there fighting for the underprivileged, but the reality is that the youth today needs to see somebody that looks like them fighting for them. And so at the end of the day, I strongly encourage Latinos to get involved in law, to get involved in politics, because that little 6-year-old girl needs to see somebody on TV that gives them hope that they can do it because they look like them.